Hi guys, so we will cover ThreadPoolExecutor in 180 seconds. So ThreadPoolExecutor is a class which is used with the executor service interface, and it have 5 parameters. So let's first understand what these parameters are, and then we will run the code example. So the first one is core pool size. So core pool size means the number of threads to keep in the pool even if they are idle. So maximum pool size is the maximum number of threads to allow in the pool. Keep alive time is basically if your number of threads are greater than the core pool threads, right? For how long you want to keep that threads alive, and this is a time unit, and this is the blocking queue. So if I go to the implementation, so here I am giving the core pool size as 1. That means one thread will always be there even if it is idle. Maximum pool size is 5, so up to 5 threads can be opened by the executor service as needed. So keep alive time is 0 millisecond, so that means if the thread is greater than 1 and it is idle, so immediately terminate the thread. Link blocking queue runnable to store the task. And here I am giving the 5 tasks, and I am using this thread pool executor. So if I will run this, so you will see here, so 5 tasks are being executed by the same thread, right? Because our core pool size is 1, but the maximum pool size is 5, right? So the question is why the additional threads were not started by, right, a JVM? Because the maximum pool size depends on the blocking queue size or capacity, right? So until or unless this blocking queue capacity is full, the new threads will not be started. So if I will give the capacity as 2, right? So now you will see after 2 tasks the capacity is full, then immediately thread 2 and thread 3 will be started because there are 5 tasks, right? So 5 tasks, 2 are here, 1 is handled by this, then 2 additional threads got started, and then it is being used. So this is how thread pool executor works. So I have copied that code here. So let's see how it works internally, right? So this line will result in creating the thread pool executor, which will look something like this. So it will have only one thread which is sitting idle, and linked blocking queue with the capacity of 2, right? The buffer size is 2 right here. So from our application, when we triggered 5 tasks, right, in a loop, so what will happen? So first task will be definitely picked up by thread 1, second and third task will be pushed in the queue, right? So it will be in the queue, and then the queue will be full, right? So once the queue is full, then this maximum pool size is 5, right? So JVM will immediately start thread 2 and thread 3 to handle the task. We see the log, right? So task 2 and 3 were executed by different threads because the queue got full. And once all the 5 tasks are done, right, so these thread 2 and thread 3 will immediately be terminated because our keep alive time is 0. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more programming content.